Good afternoon once again. We're here again today talking about our Platinum American Standard 1050 thermostat. One of the great features of the 1050 is the remote connected services that it offers. Whether you're on the road on vacation, on the road working, anywhere away from your home with an internet connection, the 1050 thermostat has an outstandingly simple but fun to use app where you can control your thermostat at your home or your office anytime, anywhere, as long as you've got a internet connection. So you can see the thermostat here, system on idle. We've got the set point set to 73 degrees, and it has satisfied that. Take a look at the app. Easy and free to download in the App Store, Apple or the Google platforms. And if wherever we are in the world, again with internet connection, we could jump right into that thermostat, see the features that it has, some of the readings and settings, and then here in real time, we said, okay, of course here in Texas, the weather moves in, turns from hot to cold. We need to change the temperature in our home for our pets, whatever it may be. We get right to the app, and here it is real time, what it would look like. 73 degrees, and our mother-in-law is coming over and she wants it down to 68 degrees. Couple clicks of the button. We'll watch it change there on our app, and then we also see it change here on the Nexia thermostat. So it went from 73 to 68. That system is now going to be in cooling mode, and we're going to have one happy mother-in-law. If you have any needs as far as your thermostat, wanting to get Platinum 1050 thermostat, or any help with any thermostats that you have at your home currently, we've got great options from simple to really sophisticated. Just give us a call. Be glad to help. Have a great day.